Hi, I'm Dr. Mo, your cataract surgeon, and I'd like to first off congratulate you on completing your cataract surgery. You've taken the first step in improving your quality of vision and ultimately your quality of life. Let's talk about what to expect over the next few hours and days from your perspective and how I expect your eyes to be healing over the next few days. After surgery, it's very much normal for your eyes to feel somewhat gritty, irritable, and possibly red. This is quite normal after surgery and typically improves after the first few hours following the procedure. Now, this is expected to be much improved the day following surgery, and what you can really do to help with this healing process is resting your eyes closed as much as possible for the first night following surgery. I would expect your vision to be quite blurry in the first few hours following surgery. This is particularly because your pupils are still dilated and the lens is finding its final resting position. This will likely impact your near vision more than it will your distance vision, but don't worry, we would expect this to be a whole lot better the morning following the cataract surgery procedure. Your vision will take some time to fully recover, but in the first day or two following surgery, rest is your best friend. The following day after surgery, you can use your eyes to watch TV, look at a computer, or even your phone, but things may be a little bit blurry and take a little bit of time to settle down, but this is to be expected, and your eyes will continue to improve the following hours and days following the procedure. The day of the surgery itself, no eye drops need to be used, but please ensure that you start your drops the following day after surgery. These are there to stop an infection and protect against inflammation. Make sure you use your drops on a regular basis through evenly spaced intervals during the day and ensure that you're not touching the eye with the tip of the bottle. For the first few days after surgery, avoid anything that could potentially strain your eye. We're talking about strenuous physical activity or things like swimming. You can shower the following day after surgery, but be careful to not get water or shampoo into the eye. Cataract surgery is a very smooth process for the vast majority of patients. However, if you do notice significant redness, significant visual blurring, or significant pain, then feel free to call my team at the office at 0800 55 20 20 or myself personally on my mobile number to get things checked out. Otherwise, if you're doing well, rest your eyes closed best you can, and we look forward to seeing you the day after surgery to check on the progress of your eyes and see how well they're healing.